Hello, this is Steve Gaines from Lincoln County Schools with another tutorial on how to view your child's assignments and grades on Schoology. First step, log into Schoology. Once you're on your child's page, hit Courses up top. Pick the course you want to look at, whether it's math, science, English, social studies. I'll use a generic course on my course dashboard. Once you open the course, in the middle, you'll have the materials or assignments that the teacher has given your child. You can click on any folder. It'll give you a description of the assignment. Some will have discussions, some will have worksheets. For the most part, you can turn in your assignments straight through Schoology. The next part is grades. On the left side is grades. Click on grades, and you should have a listing of your child's grades for that particular course. On the grade sheet, it has 800 out of 1,000. Some will have numbers a lot smaller, maybe 5 out of 10 or 8 out of 20, and the course grade will be at the bottom. If you want to click on the actual grade, click on it, and it'll pop up time it was completed, how long it took to take the assignment, and the actual score. The next step is how to send your child's teacher a message through Schoology. Up on the top is a message icon. Click on the message icon, hit New Message, type in the teacher's name. I'll just put something in random. Make sure you include a subject. Write the message and hit send. Be sure to check back often in your Schoology page for a response from your teacher. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to access your child's assignments, grades, and email your child's teacher. Thank you very much.